Chapter 4. Our Teeth and Tongue. In previous classes you learnt about different external parts of your body. Now you will learn about your teeth, their number, their types, how to take care of them, and tongue, which gives us tastes of different foods. Teeth. A newborn baby has no teeth in the mouth. She feeds only on mother's milk. When the baby is of 6 or 7 months, small teeth start growing in the mouth. By the age of 3 years, the total number of teeth in a baby's mouth becomes 20. These teeth are called milk teeth or temporary teeth. She starts eating food like bread, biscuits, rice, pulses, fruits etc. with these teeth. But these teeth do not last longer. They starts falling out around the age of 6 years. The new teeth grow out in their place. These teeth are called permanent teeth. They remain with us for all our life. An adult human being has 32 permanent teeth, 16 teeth in the upper jaw and 16 teeth in the lower jaw. So, humans have 2 sets of teeth in their lifetime, a set of milk teeth, b. a set of permanent teeth. We bite and chew the food with our teeth. The properly chewed food digests easily. Teeth give shape to our face. They also help us to speak properly. Try to count the number of teeth in your mouth and write their number. Types of teeth. There are 4 types of permanent teeth in our each jaw. All the 4 types of teeth have different functions according to their shapes. The 4 types of teeth are incisors, canines, premolars and molars. 1. Incisors are sharp front teeth. These are 4 in number in each jaw. They are flat in shape. These teeth help us in biting food. 2. Canines are pointed teeth. These teeth help us in tearing food. 1 canine teeth is present in both sides of incisors in each jaw. These are total 4 in number. 3. Premolars are arranged after canines in inner side of each jaw. These are 4 in number in each jaw. These are broad teeth that crush and grind the food. 4. Molars come after premolars. These are 6 in number in each jaw. These teeth are broader than premolars. These teeth grind the food into small pieces. Types of teeth: incisors, canines, premolars, molars. Uses: for biting the food, for tearing the food, for crushing and grinding food. Upper jaw 4, 2, 4, 6. Lower jaw 4, 2, 4.6. Total 8, 4, 8, 12 equals 32. Structure of a tooth. The outermost cover of a tooth is called enamel. It is the hardest part of our body. Dentin lies just below the enamel. It is not as hard as enamel. Pulp lies inside the dentin. It is soft. It has blood vessels and nerves. The blood brings various nutrients to the tooth. The nerves are connected to the root in the gum. The root of a tooth is fixed inside the gum. It keeps the tooth fixed in place. Care of teeth. Whenever we eat something, some food particles get stuck in the gaps of teeth. These food particles should be removed, otherwise harmful bacteria or germs grow on it. These bacteria easily grow on starchy food. Slowly on they attack the enamel and start making cavity in the tooth. Cavity means a hole in the tooth. After enamel they attack dentin and finally pulp. When bacteria reach up to nerves in the pulp, they cause pain. Decaying of tooth results in toothache, bleeding gums, cavities, bad breath etc. If permanent teeth decayed, then no new teeth come in their place. So, We must take good care of our teeth. How to look after the teeth? 1. Brush the teeth twice a day in the morning and at night before going to bed. 2. Always use soft brush and brush your teeth gently so that gums do not get hurt. 3. Move brush gently up and down, back and forth and behind the teeth so that teeth clean properly. 4. Rinse your mouth after every meal. 5. Do not eat too many candies, chocolates and sweets. 6. Do not drink aerated drinks. 7. Eat raw carrots, radish and apple. They clean the teeth and make them strong. Vitamin C and calcium are important for healthy gums and teeth. Lemon, orange are rich sources of vitamin C and milk. Cheese are rich sources of calcium. No more. Tongue is the strongest muscle in our body. Tongue is the important part of our body which help us to speak and gives tastes of different foods. Our tongue has taste buds on different portions of the tongue which give tastes of different foods. We taste sweet, salty, sour and bitter due to these taste buds. We must clean our tongue daily with tongue cleaner. Microbes. Microbes are very small living things. We cannot see them with our bare eyes. We need microscope to see these microbes. Microbes are present everywhere. They grow where they get moisture, air, food and warmth. These microbes can grow in water, in soil, inside and outside of the human or animal body. Some microbes cause diseases, while some microbes are useful to us. Type of microbes. Microbes are of 4 types. 1. Bacteria. 2. Virus. 3. Protozoa. 4. Fungi. Bacteria. Bacteria are single-celled microorganisms. Their shapes may be spiral, round or rod-like. Harmful bacteria cause diseases like tuberculosis, TB, typhoid etc. Some bacteria are useful to us. Some useful bacteria turn milk into curd, help in decaying of dead plants or animals, help in digestion of food in our stomach. Viruses. Viruses smaller than bacteria. We can see them only through a powerful microscope. They cause diseases like common cold, measles, chicken pox, small pox etc. Viruses are also called germs because they are harmful. Protozoa. Protozoa are bigger than bacteria. They cause malaria and dysentery. Fungi. Fungi are microorganisms which grow on decaying matter. They cause skin diseases. Some fungi are helpful like yeast which help to make the bread soft. Quick recap. Human beings have 2 sets of teeth, milk teeth and permanent teeth. Milk teeth fall at the age of around 6 years and permanent teeth start growing. Permanent teeth last for whole life. Incisors, canines, premolars and molars are 4 types of teeth in our mouth. Incisors help us to bite our food. Canines help us in tearing the food. Premolars and molars chew our food well. Taste buds on our tongue give different tastes of foods. Tongue helps us to speak fluently. We must take proper care of our teeth and tongue. Microbes are very small living organisms. Some of them are useful and while others are harmful.